Hi friends, this video shows how to hard reset using Android recovery menu. First we need to unplug power cord from the TV, then press and hold power button on the TV. While holding power button, we need to plug power cord back to TV. Then please wait. We get this no command screen. At this point we can release power button on the TV. Let me release power button. Now you can see Android recovery menu. Next I will show you how we can select an option from this Android recovery menu. Press power button. See, that way we can go down. Let me go down. Select this option, wipe data or factory reset. Then long press power button to confirm this selection. Then release power button. Now you can see two options, cancel, factory data reset. Using power button, set factory data reset. Then long press power button to confirm this selection. Then release power button. Now on bottom left corner you can see wiping data, formatting data. Please wait. See, data wipe complete. After this we need to reboot the system. From Android recovery menu, set reboot system now. That option is already selected. Let me press and hold power button to confirm that selection. Then release power button. See, now TV is rebooting. Please wait. This way we can hard reset using Android recovery menu. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.